What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, TheRealShakesP, keeping it 100. Y'all already know how we do here, man. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, click that post notification bell. Make sure to like, share, and comment down below. Right now, we're going to jump into a reaction. This is a donation request. I wish I was able to get to this a lot sooner, but we're dealing with a couple of issues on this channel from YouTube. I've been a YouTuber and on YouTube for over 10 years, never been hit with a copyright strike once, but everything on this channel is centered around charity. I donate everything to charity. I had a food and toy drive initiative in place leading up to the holidays. And not only did I get hit with one, but I got hit with 2 copyright strikes within a matter of less than 24 hours. I was locked out of my channel, couldn't do anything on my channel, couldn't post, couldn't do the reactions that were already like donor requests that were ready to go in the loop. So this I've been sitting on for a minute. Finally, like the holiday seasons has subsided a bit. The work and charity work that I was doing with the orphanages, the toy drives, the food drives have subsided. I'm able to jump back in the studio and just really go like full steam ahead. Right now we're gonna jump into a reaction. This is Sara Niemietz and Robby Robinson, Sound of Christmas. Without further ado, hesitation, and all that good stuff, man, I'm looking so forward to this one. Sara, Robby, it is on you. Let's go.
I love the sound
Woo!
of Christmas on the radio. Alvin, the Chipmunks, and Nat King Cole.
Woo! Bring that back. I couldn't agree more, man. I love the holidays for everything that she just mentioned. I have a feeling I'm going to be doing a lot of rewinding and talking. The link to the original is in the description. If you don't want to listen to me, click that link and go watch.
I love the sound.
I'm an idiot. I'm
of
sorry.
Christmas on
Woo!
the radio.
This is so fun.
Alvin, the Chipmunks, and Nat King Cole. We're singing together the songs we know while we watch the snow.
So good.
I love the sound of Christmas when sleigh bells start to ring, gathering together and caroling, joy and laughter for old and young. Christmas time has come.
So good.
I love the sound of Christmas.
The layering there is awesome. I love harmonies and I love like vocal layers. So clearly like it's not a multiple person harmony, but she's doing awesome harmony with herself here.
I love the sound of Christmas. Joy is in the air.
That mixing is so good.
Sound of Christmas. Music here, there, everywhere. I love the sound
So fun.
of Christmas.
So fun.
Hear those reindeer parties waiting by the fire for Santa Claus. Angel choirs dressed in white. Christmas time is here tonight. Here tonight.
So fun. Let's go, Robby. Take it away, Robby. Woo!
I love the sound.
This is great.
Christmas. Joy
My cheeks hurt.
Music here, there, everywhere. I love the sound of Christmas, those reindeer calls, waiting by the fire for Santa Claus. Angel choirs dressed in white. Christmas time is here tonight. Here tonight.
Ooh, I've never heard Sara do falsetto before. Let's bring it back. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. That was Sara Niemietz and Robbie Robinson, Sound of Christmas. When I first got into this in my head, I was like, holy, she did a song with Robbie Robertson? But I'm like, that was just like my stupidity in my head going, and yeah. That was so much fun on so many levels. That was really Christmassy. It has like, it just gets you in the Christmas spirit. It doesn't matter if you celebrate Christmas or not. Christmas songs are Christmas songs. They're just feel-good songs. They're a feel-good time of year, and it gets you in the spirit of things. So it doesn't matter what you celebrate. Holidays are holidays, and they're just meant to have fun. And songs like this are meant to put you in a good place. Turn everything off for 4 minutes, relax, and just smile. My cheeks hurt from smiling. This is one, of course, like I really do wish I was able to get to earlier. Unfortunately, I was unable to. And when I was able to, like when the channel lifts came off and stuff like that, I was just so busy with the food and toy drives that we had, because I didn't just end up doing one. The local government ended up getting on board with what we were doing. They kind of said they weren't because we didn't hit the targets. But when I showed them that I was physically locked out of my account and I didn't hit certain targets because of that, or else we were on pace to do it, they got behind it. And instead of just doing something in one area of my city in Legazpi City, Philippines, I partnered up with 3 different children orphanages, and we ended up just going there, surprising them without telling them. And I can't wait for you guys to see the footage, just the look on the kids' faces, the smiles on the nuns' faces of surprise, just sheer shock and surprise when we showed up with trunk loads and trunk loads of toys, food for everybody. And it was just a really, really, really beautiful thing. So to my subscriber, my friend, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get to this a little bit sooner, but you know what? This is a song that just puts a smile on everybody's face all year round, that whether it's just after the holidays, before the holidays, it really doesn't matter, because Sara knocked this out of the park. YouTube, y'all already know what it is at this point, man. Y'all know how we do over here. We keep it 100. I keep it 100% with y'all. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, click that post notification bell, make sure to like, share, comment down below. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know songs, artists, things you want me to react to. I got you. I will put it on the list. I say this all the time because it's true. Everything we react to on this channel is what you requested. So keep on requesting and we'll keep on reacting to your requests. As always, in the description is the link to what we're reacting to. So if you like this, which, like, how could you not like this? Click that link and make sure to go subscribe over to the channel. Come on, people. This has under 10,000 views. Sara's got 153,000 subscribers, which is absolutely phenomenal. Kudos to you for that, Sara. But let's run the numbers up here, people. That means less than 10% of her audience watched this video. This is a song that puts a smile on everybody's face. Click that link. Make sure to go subscribe over to Sara's channel. It is your boy, TheRealShakesP. I'm keeping it 100, and I'm out. Peace.